want to thank you on behalf of all of our students, our staff, our administration, our board of trustees, everyone, for being here today, especially on an early fall day like this when the sun is shining. And it's important the sun is shining because all of those sun rays, the free and renewable energy is being harvested by this array behind us and pushed right to those buildings just to the north of us. This was a project long in the making, and we had many stops, we had many starts. The benefits we always think about are our students, and certainly any chance we can make to ensure that KCC and access to our programs, our training programs, our academic programs is cost efficient. We seize upon that, and we're already seeing savings from this investment here. And so we were not surprised when we took a look here to see that some of our students, some of our alumni were actually working on this project. I also want to thank and just express our sincere gratification for Dr. Pundalika. Dr. Pundalika, we couldn't have made this happen without you. So thank you for the contributions you've made. Thank you for the generosity. And I promise you it's going to benefit students.
I was working hand in glove with Anup, who is Dr. Pundalika's son. We put our blood, sweat, and tears into this. Anup passed away tragically about 2 months ago. And this is a legacy to him and to everyone else. Look around. This is about all of us. Behind us are 1,864 panels. Probably about 8 of those panels would power, your house. Part of that are the power inverters that you can hear humming in the background.
The reason we wanted to do this after donation, we have had oncology offices in around this area. Then I said, I want to give back to the community here first. And that's when my son came into the picture. He took up this project. He had a big heart and hardworking things, some things that we didn't recognize, whatever happened, and he's no more here. It's good for everybody, starting from the college as well as the earth, so that we will not have to tap into other resources for energy. That's the beauty of this. Whatever we want to donate from our family should go for education of the students, like the 2 that have been hired. And even after a donation, we want to have a scholarship in the name of Anup Saravi to see that there will be many more students that have many more jobs, because this is the growing industry as we see it. As a family, my wife is here, my daughter is here. We are happy to have done this in many places. Thank you very much for everybody.
1, 2, 3.
KCC did a really good job preparing me for this job. From beginning to end, all the information has been very useful. The solar class with Clay Sterling definitely helped us out a lot in this field. As far as operation and maintenance go, I see mistakes that's like, okay, we can fix this based on how we fixed it in class.